Is Unit 3, Unit 4, Module 3, Session 1, Part 1. All right, so first of all, I want to go over your home connection book answers that you were assigned yesterday. I remember I told you that you may not have finished them, just to spend 20 minutes and submit them. So what I'd like you to do now is just get that out, and I'd like you to check your answers in your home connection book. And if you didn't fill something in, you can fill it in while I'm going over it. And as you can see here, thinking about subtraction, page 1 of 2, look at each subtraction problem below. Think about what strategy makes the most sense for each problem and solve each problem. So you'll notice here when you're looking at it that it says work will vary. Well, for this one, the answer you should have gotten was 16. You may have used the standard algorithm. You may have used one of the other ones. Whatever one you happen to use, just go ahead and make sure that you write down what strategy you used and why you used it. For this one, I think you could have totally used the standard algorithm. And I also think for the second one, you could have used the standard algorithm just because, I mean, the answer is 0. So that one was pretty easy, right? And for the next one, what strategy did you use and why? Like for that, you could have used the standard for each and every one of them. It really doesn't matter, but just make sure that you have an answer. So you should have 16, 0, and 275, okay? And then it says fill in the blanks in each equation below. So for this one, you should have 325. For this one, you should have 53. And for this one, you should have 1,000, okay? All right, so moving on to Answers to Home Connection book, page 80. Jenny got a box of 15 stickers for her birthday. Use the information as you solve each problem below. Use numbers, labeled sketches, or words to show your thinking. A, Jenny used 5 stickers on a thank you card. What fraction of the box did she use? 1/3. B, Jenny gave her brother 4 stickers. What fraction does she have left out of her box of 15? She has 6/15 or 2/5. So the 2/5 is simplified, but either answer is correct because those are equivalent fractions. Number 4. After she gave some stickers to her brother, Jenny's dog ate 3 of her stickers. A, now what fraction does Jenny have left of her original box of 15 stickers? She has 1/5 left. B, what fraction of the stickers went to Jenny's brother and her dog? 7/15, because 4/15 plus 3/15 equals 7/15. Number 5, the 3rd grade gymnastics team has 279 points. In order to place in the top 3 teams, they'll need to score 425 or more. How many more points do they need to earn in order to rank in the top 3? They need 146 more points, because 425 minus 279 is 146. And then the challenge question. Brendan needs to mail a 12-page letter to his friend in Texas. It costs $1.38 to mail all 12 sheets together. A 6-page letter costs 68 cents to mail. A 4-page letter costs 45 cents to mail. Envelopes cost 3 cents each. What is the least expensive way to mail his 12 pages? Well, it is least expensive to put the 12 pages in a single envelope and mail it at $1.38. All right. And so then what you're going to do now is you're going to complete this subtraction checkpoint, and you're going to upload it into Seesaw. Now, I know this isn't the best picture of it, so on the next page, here it is a little bit larger for you. You can choose to take a screenshot of it, and I want you to complete each of these on your own and then submit it into Seesaw for me, okay? This is just a little subtraction checkpoint to see how you're doing and if we need to make any adjustments, okay? And last but not least for today's lesson, so I know this is a really quick lesson. You can take as long as you need to on the checkpoints. So for this one, I just want you to choose 2 of these IXL lessons that you see right here. C 1, 2, 3, or 4. And I want you to complete 2 of them, 1 of them to finish off your math lesson, and then the other one for homework. So I want you to pick 2 of these, C1, C2, C3, and C4, 2 out of the 4 of those, okay? And that is the end of your math lesson for today. And keep up the great work, my friends. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me or send me a message in Seesaw, okay? I will talk to you later. Have a wonderful rest of your day.